Hey everybody, it's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. I've spent about 2 whole days just getting that adhesive decal glue remnants off of the car. I finished just this morning. Goof off really worked well. That's what I'm going to endorse is goof off, not so much the Matzenbachers anymore. So van looks nice and clean now, shiny. All the glue's been removed on this side. You see that? That look nice? Back is good. Yeah, I don't care if you guys look at my license plate. I see all these people blocking your license plate. I mean, yeah, I guess you can look up the VIN number and stuff, but so what? You know, unless you're a law enforcement officer, you can't do, you know, background checks on the license plate, find address and stuff. I mean, honestly, it's a big deal. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So my next problem is this, okay? I have no horn, okay? Never had a horn. So I went online and I figured out that the main power distribution fuse box is over here. And the horn has a relay. It's right there. That's the relay, okay? It doesn't have a relay. It's supposed to be in there, but that's why the horn doesn't work. So I pulled this one off. Damn. I don't know what this one's for, but watch me break this one too. Alright, so I'm going to take this relay. I noticed that these three black relays are exactly the same. So I just pulled that one out and I'm going to put it here. Watch. Oh. So, as you guys can see, there's something hinky about this thing over here. I don't want it to, you know, what if it just stays there all day, you know? I guess it's fixed now, but I'm worried that it'll, you know, just start going off again, you know? So while I fix the horn temporarily, I have to go buy a relay to replace that. You know what I'm saying? It seemed like, here, I'm going to try it again. Well, you know what? Seems okay now. I'm going to give this a try, and if it goes up, I'll just, you know, keep whacking it and stuff. Huh, I just fixed it on camera. How about that? No rehearsing. So I finally finished. I've taken off every bit of adhesive glue that's on the van. Looks nice and clean now. I went and got a new relay for my horn. My horn works. I also got the fluorescent lights to work. Once you open the doors in the cargo area, there's fluorescent lights there. So my next project is to try to figure out how I'm gonna hook up a winching system now, you know? So I got my ramps there. And my winching system that I had on the Ranger, it used to, you know, just hook onto those two hooks on the left and right side of the bed. But this is so wide that it doesn't fit, you know, in between. And that wall there is made out of plywood, so I don't think it would sustain the amount of pressure and force I would need to pull a tractor up these ramps. So I'm thinking about maybe just getting a powered electric winch and just like drilling it into the floor over there behind the divider, right where it is, or figuring out a way to rig it so I could have a winch to crank, you know. But I've just about had enough today. You know, sometimes you work on something all day, you just had enough, you know. Let's see if the light goes off. Yeah! Van has come full circle, hasn't it, guys? Looks great, feels great. Got a lights all working, got the horn working. Anyway, that's it today. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.